outside today to vote. What is it that you voted for?
Well, I think most importantly for a stable government, and somebody who's going to have a slightly more wholesome, more inclusive, and at the same time a slightly more future-thinking plan. I genuinely feel that a lot of us are very fed up with living in the past. I really think that it's time to kind of let go of things and move on.
Right.
And at the same time, just think of where we want India to be in the next 5 years.
Right.
We keep talking about superpower and things, but I mean, there's nothing really that we go out and do, to kind of show the world what we're capable of.
Right.
And we are capable of a lot. So I just think we need someone with dynamic, with a good sense, with a good vision, and a good sense of parity for most important.
Right.
पर आइफा मिस कर रहे हैं इस बार आइफा नहीं
नहीं मैं आज रात जा
Farhan, the people in your industry have come out in the open this time. Some have signed an appeal, some have been doing photo ops with Mr. Modi, some have joined supported the Aam Aadmi Party. What do you have to say about that?
Well, I just say to each their own. Everybody has a right to voice their opinion and say what they feel. So I can't really comment.
All right, that's all right. Anyone else?
Thank you.
Well, I've not been allowed to vote this year.
Right.
This time, I voted last time. There are another 5 people who have left, and they said you're not eligible to vote because they've removed my name from the list. And it seems online forums have lakhs of people like me.
Right. And how many such people have you seen inside who have faced?
Just now, another 7 were with me.
So what do you think is the problem?
I think it's a misappropriation of votes.
Right.
I wonder where my vote is going. And I think celebs should bring it to the notice of the general public that this is a gross.
I also met someone on the way. There was this woman and I gave her a lift and she said that she didn't get that letter that usually you get, right? That slip.
Yeah, that's right.
She hasn't had it and she's just come with her ID to figure out what is going on.
Yeah,
So
the election
something that you
committee,
would like to say
the
about
election committee people have actually said you're not allowed to vote. Although I voted the last time.
But what is the problem, ma'am, exactly?
They've removed my
Ma'am,
name from the
I
list.
think this the election committee will have to reply. I don't think we'll have the answers.
Yeah, I know.
People-
But we can raise a
people
concern.
who
Yeah,
have
yes,
left.
you must. I think if 5 or 6 people have come
Yeah.
who voted here the last time,
Right.
especially, I think it's a bit strange that their names not there.
It seems
This time this coordination is very poor from the election commission.
All right.
So last time, whatever they were giving, nothing has come to the flat.
Right.
Where to go, what to, this should come.
There is no clarity as to the procedure.
You are spending so much.
Yeah.
What is the need?
yeah.
There is no need.
My neighbors in my building who have left my building more than 10 years ago, their names are in the election list. But my name is missing.
All right.
Well, that could explain a low percentage of voter turnout.
Firstly, it has been done, I don't know. Maybe this elite area, it has been done like this, I don't know what is the thing.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.